Exclusive. The future of numerous oil and gas projects uncertain following illegal license grants for Rosebank and Jackdaw. The recent revelation that the licenses for the Rosebank and Jackdaw oil and gas fields were unlawfully granted has sent shockwaves through the energy sector, casting a long shadow of uncertainty over numerous other projects. This admission, made amidst considerable cabinet tension regarding the future of these two major fields, signifies a potentially far-reaching crisis for the UK's oil and gas industry. The implications extend far beyond Rosebank and Jackdaw. The government now faces a reckoning concerning the legality of a significant portion of its oil and gas licensing program. This exposé unveils a concerning reality. Many more oil and gas projects are now teetering on the brink of. In a parliamentary exchange that has sparked considerable public debate, Energy Minister Michael Shanks conceded, under questioning from Green MP Carla Denyer, that a staggering 13 oil and gas fields currently in the consent phase are directly impacted by the court ruling that invalidated the Rosebank and Jackdaw licenses. This represents a significant portion of the UK's planned North Sea developments, highlighting the potential for widespread disruption within the N. A source within the Department for Energy Security and Net Zero Descents revealed further details regarding the government's response to this unfolding crisis. The source indicated that licenses currently at the consent level will be subject to a comprehensive consultation process overseen by former Labour leader Ed Miliband. This consultation, the source stressed, could effectively halt the development of new oil and gas projects in the North Sea. However, the ultimate impact will depend significantly on the stage of development each project has reached within the application process. Government data confirms that 13 licenses are currently at this critical juncture, placing them squarely within the scope of this potentially transformative review. The ramifications of this legal challenge are profound, prompting strong reactions from environmental campaigners. Alexander Kirk, a fossil fuels campaigner at Global Witness, issued a forceful call for the complete cancellation of all pending licenses. Kirk argued that the consultation process must lead to a decisive halt to all new fossil fuel projects in the UK. He stated, "The overwhelming preference amongst the UK public is for affordable and clean energy sources, such as wind and solar power. Fossil fuels, conversely, are not only costly, but also contribute significantly to environmental damage and accelerate climate change. The escalating frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, from the devastating wildfires in Los Angeles to the catastrophic floods impacting regions from Leicestershire to Valencia, serve as stark reminders of the urgent need to transition away from fossil fuels. If the government is genuinely committed to its climate pledges, it must definitively halt the development of new oil and gas projects and prioritize a rapid shift towards sustainable energy solutions. This is not merely an environmental imperative, it's a matter of safeguarding the future and mitigating the catastrophic risks associated with climate change." The statement underscores the growing pressure on the government to prioritize climate action and dramatically. The ongoing consultation will be closely watched, its outcome holding significant implications for the future of energy development in the UK and the government's commitment to its climate goals. The uncertainty surrounding these 13 licenses, coupled with the already cancelled Rosebank and Jackdaw projects, paints a picture of a rapidly shifting energy landscape, raising questions about energy security, economic implications, and the UK's commitment to reducing its CAR. The government's decision will undoubtedly shape the nation's energy future and its standing on the global stage in the fight against climate change. The scale of this crisis demands a swift, decisive response, one that prioritizes both the environmental and economic well-being of the nation. The coming months will be crucial in determining the UK's trajectory towards a sustainable energy future and the legacy of this unprecedented challenge to its energy sector.